Assalamu alaikum everyone. So it's been a while, no Luna Classic conversation, so let's do this. And I'm going to start off by saying that Luna Classic really is looking juicy right now. These candles that you see on the daily, all over crypto, is making a statement that crypto is not here to joke anymore with anyone. So if anyone bought at 12,000, I think, wow, wonderful, very, very good entry. 14,000, wonderful as well. I think 14,000 is an amazing uh, entry in my opinion. And what I can say is that Luna Classic has now found a new support. So notice that you previously had a left shoulder, had right shoulder, and this was your resistance back then, but now it turned into a very big support. What can I say? How beautiful is this? How beautiful is a TA today for Luna Classic? Because this right over here is now your support, what was your previous resistance right over there. And I'm very, very positive because Bitcoin probably may be looking forward for an $85,000, maybe $100,000, $150,000. The bidding continues maybe even to $200,000, and some people are saying 300. I even say at some point maybe if that euphoria kind of a move happen once in a lifetime, we may see Bitcoin at 400,000 before it doesn't go for the next bear market. So plenty of time for that to happen. Today is like March of 2024. We have a long time, we have a long way for the bull run. Personally, not a financial advice, is nothing said here as financial advice, but I think based on history, I think maybe 15% or 10% of the bull run just happened. Okay, we have a long way to go. 80, 85, 90% is still pending. So long journey, really, really long journey. If that's good, even there's something even better. I think, okay, if you ask me personally, Luna Classic is amazing buy. Simple, nothing else. I'm not going to stress it anymore. Amazing buy. Even better than that is that I want to share something about accumulation, right? So we know that buying coins when they're down is always good. So buy when they're always down instead of actually buying when it pumps in 3-4 months, maybe in May and June and stuff like that. So buying now, shopping now is better. We've seen discount, and back then Pepe was down, it actually pumped. ICP was down in accumulation, it moved up. We saw Bonk that was in accumulation and then it pumped up. We saw Dogecoin in accumulation move up, SHIB, and now this coin I took 1.5 years ago. I'm ready to give it to you for absolutely free. So this is almost like something that you're wondering what should I get, and you need somebody's good opinion. Yes, this coin does meet a lot of very good potential. Things like good project, things like being listed on some good exchange, things like big names are actually involved as well. And the project, my goodness, the project is really, really good than some of these coins that I said, even better than SHIB probably. So scroll down, click on Discord, and click on my name on announcement and message me maybe the word coin, or you're coming from a Luna Classic video, and I'm going to tell you the coin for absolutely free. And that's all. I'm going to see you in the next one. God office.